Welcome students. Now we are going to discuss about the example on the basis of Lami's theorem and converse of Lami's theorem. First example, if three coplanar forces acting on a particle are in equilibrium, the angle between first and second three forces are in equilibrium. The first and second is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. And the angle between second and third is 150. Second and third. 150 degree. Find the ratio of magnitude of the forces. We have given that this angle will be Q R. टोटल एंगल क्या होगा ये 360, 150 माइनस 150 और 60 माइनस करेंगे 360 में से भी क्या भी 150. Three forces, coplanar forces. Let P, Q and R be the three coplanar forces acting on a particle, on a point O. Making angle 60 degree with direction of forces Q and R. Q and R P and Q. First answer. Q making angle 150 degree with directions of forces Q and R. So R making angle with the direction of P and R is 360 minus 150 plus 60. We get again 50. Then by Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem. We have given that these forces are in equilibrium, then force is proportional to sine of other point. So P is proportional to sine of 150. Q is proportional to sine of 150. R is proportional to sine of 60 degree. P divided by sine 90 plus 60 degree. Q sin 90 plus 60 r divided by sin 60. We get p cos 60 to cos 60 r sin 60. P by cos 60 is 1 by 2, Q by 1 by 2, R by root 3 by 2. प्रोपोर्शनल है, इसमें 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. सो दिस कैन बी P by 1, Q by 1, R by root 3. So forces P, Q and R in ratio 1, 1, root 3. This is the required answer. Now next example. Find the greatest weight can be supported by 2 light string making angle 60 and 45 with the vertical. 2 string A, 60 डिग्री विद वर्टिकल, ये वर्टिकल लाइन है, इसके साथ ये स्ट्रिंग 60 डिग्री और 45 डिग्री एंगल वर्टिकल. It being known that either string will break under the tension of WKG. ये ब्रेक वो फोर्स फाइंड करना है, उसको हम मान लेते हैं P. इस P की वैल्यू निकालनी है और ये है कि आइदर स्ट्रिंग विल ब्रेक अंडर द टेंशन ऑफ WKG. कौन सी स्ट्रिंग टूटेगी और वो P क्या होगा? Let P be the greatest supported weight by the string OA and OB by string OA and OB. Let T and T be the tension along the string OA and OB. Let T1 and T2 be the tensions on the string OA and OB respectively. इस पे जो टेंशन है वो क्या है T2, इस पे क्या है T1. Since the force T1 acting at a point are in equilibrium, so T1 and T2 and P are in equilibrium, then by Lami's law This angle is 180 minus 45, 135, 120. Leibniz theorem P by sine of force P. Leibniz theorem क्या कहती है? Force is proportional to the sine of the other two angles. P is proportional to sine of other two forces. That is sine of 60 plus 45, 105. T1 sine of 135 and T2 sine of 120. P by 180 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2. So since sin 60 is greater than sin 45 और ये किसके अगेंस्ट है? T2 के. ये किसके अगेंस्ट है? T1 के. तो कौन सा टेंशन या फोर्स ज्यादा होगा? T2 is greater than T1. T2 is greater than. When the string OB having tension T2 break, when the tension T2 having break, string having tension T2 break, then तो कितना वेट होगा उसके ऊपर? T2 is equal to ये दिया हुआ T2 given दिया हुआ, then T2 is equal to. Now from this W upon sin 60 हमें P फाइंड करना है. P upon sin 75 and we get P is equal to sin 75 W divided by sin 60. Sin 45 plus 30, that is equal to root 3 by 2 W. Sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30 root 3 by 2. P is equal to sin 45 1 by root 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2 sin 30 1 by 2 divide by root 3 by 2 and double. Then we get root 3 plus 1 divided by root 6 double. ये आपका P आ जाएगा. Now next